If you want to cancel your Trip.com free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure your subscription is terminated before any charges occur. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trip.com website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option labeled Account or Profile in the menu. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, locate the section that pertains to subscriptions or memberships. Here, you should see details about your free trial and any upcoming charges. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Select the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information provided regarding the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, check your email for a confirmation message from Trip.com. This will ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Trip.com customer support for assistance.